So what we're going to do is add this to the bottom of it. So I flipped it over, a little bit of water. Okay, so we get this on here. Where's my assistant? Okay, there we go. Basically, attach, 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 attach. Okay, and then just smooth it down here. Press it down. I have piping that's going to go on the sides of these, so the fact that there's a little tiny gap there is no big deal. I'm not a great decorator, but boy, I can hide anything. As you can see, this actually matches really well. Gee, so I've done 9 or 10 of these, so I'm starting to get the hang of it. Okay, what I'm going to do is just roll that just a little bit, smooth it so that they meet. So here's our horn. Yep, we're getting there.
That's one in a row.
It's one, well, and I did 3 of them, and I did them ahead of time. Which I thought was pretty smart.
Very smart.
Yeah. I thought they're not going to have enough time to dry. I'm not going to have enough time. So, okay, what's next is our clay gun. I have I think it's the second biggest little round guy in here. And for this, I'm going to use green. Do I have green? Yes. I think I used green. I'm pretty sure I used green. No, I didn't. I used silver. I used silver on it. Well, sorry. The green one had the blue. I used silver. So here's my silver. Make sure it's not sticky. Clay gun. Pop it in. So that's my gray fondant. Okay, that's probably enough. So what I've got here, just going to divide it in half. And I'm going to grab a paper towel. And I'm going to take the silver, the new silver, and the silver brush, which is this one. This is the same new silver we had before.